Hi, today I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why colour and daylight are important in our children's environments. First, colour and daylight combined influence a child's growth, hormones, mood, behaviour, health and concentration. Second, colour and daylight increase physical and imaginative mental activity while helping boost concentration, intellect and engagement. Third, the replacement of artificial light with natural light has positive effects on hyperactivity, attention deficiency and fatigue. And fourth, coloured light when produced by daylight covers spaces with vibrancy, providing a positive effect that reduces stress. At the most important stages of early development, the effective use of colour and daylight can allow you to transform your learning, work and living environments for the better.
For more information, visit Danpal Australia at danpal.com.au.